Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting to B. Com in Minecraft, open multiplayer or servers now and add a new entry. Enter the server address exactly as B. Com, include a port only if required, and name it something memorable. Once done, verify your Minecraft version matches the server version to avoid incompatibility. You should also back up local worlds and important configs before joining. This prevents accidental data loss. Then, click Join Server and watch for any handshake messages or welcome notes in chat. Once connected, complete any authentication steps B. Com requires register, link accounts, or enter verification codes. This grants proper permissions. Then, configure your client, set render distance, enable resource packs if provided, and adjust chat and control settings for clarity. Next, read and accept the server rules so you avoid penalties. You will usually spawn in a starter area or tutorial hub. Follow NPC instructions and use provided items to learn commands, kits, and any economy or rank to complete setup and use B. Com, start using core commands like /warp, /home, /shop, and /kit, checking /help for server-specific variants. Explore plugin features, economy shops, land claims, crates, and minigames by interacting with GUI signs and NPCs. This is how you earn currency and progress. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Verify your game version, review the client log for errors, ensure firewall or router ports aren't blocking connections, and confirm the server status. If unresolved, contact server staff with your error details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.